了啊。
这动。它不应该摸着先动吗？
它摸着本身就在响，要不摸着给你往上拉了。我被老高哭了，还犯了人。这正规的啊。啊，我知道。
This one is color for color head, and this one is for varnish head, and this one is for white head. Okay, now we install the printer head. First, this is the cable. Okay, cable must be straight. Okay, must be straight. Okay, and now we install the down port. Okay, this one. Okay, yeah, okay. Must be straight. Okay, must be straight. Okay. Now. Okay. This is the printer head. Okay. And this printer head. This one is top cable. Top. Okay, top cable. And this metal side connect on the top port. Okay. And this one is down cable connect to the down port. Okay, and then you double check if the connect well or not. Must be straight. Okay, and then you put the head and then fix with the screw. Okay, this head is color head, and for varnish white is the same. This one is white color varnish. Okay, and this one is white varnish color. Okay, color varnish, and white is inside. Okay， 就是这个样子下来，它这个扭过劲儿的，你看，这样子，刚好最后是这样子。OK。